Nature inspires a passion within us, teaching us to marvel at all its wonders and to observe every detail it has to offer. It awakens our ambition to find and identify more rare birds, as easily and with as many species-specific characteristics as possible. With vivid colors, extra details, and a better overview, the ZEISS Victory SF 32 binoculars help deliver more breathtaking moments. They set new standards in wildlife observation with the exceptionally wide field of view of 155 meters. Sometimes it's only the smallest detail in a bird's plumage that makes the decisive difference. ZEISS developed its Ultra FL concept to enable precise identification of all bird species. This optical system, with shot fluoride glass, reduces color fringing, increases contrast, and guarantees excellent color fidelity. Unforgettable moments often take time to evolve into their full potential. However, as soon as the decisive moment arises, the intuitive handling of your Victory SF 32 binoculars lets you react in a flash. The Smart Focus concept ensures optimal positioning of the focusing wheel, while taking only 1.6 rotations to focus from the closest focusing distance to infinity. Whether in dense reeds, bushes, or woodlands, the new binoculars enable you to find and observe even the best hidden bird species for long periods without fatigue until clear identification can be achieved. The Ergo Balance concept shifts the center of gravity to a point much closer to the eyepiece, significantly reducing the perceived weight to the user. Identify more birds in their natural habitats over longer periods with binoculars that make the ideal companion. Observe nature as easily and as true to life as possible.